way too early for this. We caught the train. All good. Yay!
Said you won't trust nobody in a planet alone. Need a body to hold.
Bananas, there's melons, herbs. Like all of these food here is so fresh, and imagine what you can make out of all of these ingredients. Yeah, sure.
Take me out of time.
Some pork on top with some vegetables on the side. Yeah, definitely a dessert. Our boat is coming. Where are we walking to?
Another train.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Yeah, it's so funny. They're saying hi to us. Oh my gosh. Man struggling here. This is why it's gonna take an hour.
เห็นไหมคะเบาๆค่ะเบาๆที่แฟนเนี่ยแทนเบาถึงทีนึงว่าถึงที่เดียวเดียวบางคนนอนอยู่ป่าเขาชีบริกู
So this is the appetizer. We have some nuts over here, some onion, chili, sauces. There's just a lot going on. But spicy, a little sour, crunchy with the nuts. Interesting for sure. Our pad thai is here. It's spicy, but it's good. It's very chewy, sweet. Wow, even though this is a small only, they're giving so many. Yeah, so hot. Today is day 3 in Thailand. We just had breakfast, but now we're going to go get a massage. And then afterwards we're gonna go to a market. So I'll see you there. It smells so good. guys, this is crazy. It's $90 Canadian for a full massage for 3 people. An hour and a half for both me and my mom, and then it's 2 hours long for my dad. Oh my gosh. Just finished our massage and it was so relaxing. I just feel like my whole body was like melting into the bed. Like I understand that Thailand, like Bangkok is like really hot here already, but I feel like my circulation is a lot better after the massage, and like I'm just so hot now. So change of plans, we decided to go to Asia to Keek, I think that's how you say it. Basically it's kind of like a riverside night market. Like so over here you have the river, and then on the other side there's a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops, and right now we're just gonna grab some dinner because we kind of skipped lunch. And there's also a Ferris wheel, so we're probably gonna spend the entire night here today. We got a coconut shake, a mango shake, and this is lime soda. Find a place where they sold like Thai tea, and I couldn't find it even though I've been everywhere in like Bangkok already. They're like good quality reusable cups, you know?
個味道有咩同普通茶有乜唔分別啊？
I don't know how to explain it. It's just like it's just Thai tea. It just tastes like Thai milk tea. It's not too strong, which I like. I give this like a 8 out of 10. This is a honey roast tea. It looks like a trash can because it opens like this. Oh, and then close like that. A couple lizards. They were very big. They were kind of like the lizards that we saw in Mexico, but a little bit different too. I think there's like a lot of fish here too, because like I see fish nets and like people throwing like breadcrumbs into the river. I don't know, it's kind of dirty, so.
Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. You give me love and my heart is in debt with you. Oh, you give me love and my heart.
A roasted pork with wonton, and then this is the same pho with egg noodles. This is technically like Chinese food. It's not bad.
Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason.
What's up guys? Today is our last day here in Thailand. I've had so much fun and today the food's been amazing, the sightseeing has been amazing, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!